Hello, welcome to another session. In this session, I have a talk about counter current heat exchanger. The counter current heat exchanger, which is present in different animals in different organs, but in case of human, the counter current heat exchanger also present inside the scrotum to regulate the temperature. What is the arrangement and how it works? So let's start the counter current heat exchanger. As you all know that the scrotum which present outside of the abdominal cavity. Why it present outside of the abdominal cavity? Because the scrotum which contains testes and the process of formation of sperm taking place inside the testes, and the process which is known as the spermatogenesis. So the spermatogenesis process which needs 2 to 3 degree less temperature than the core body temperature. Suppose that the core body temperature which is about 37 degree centigrade and the temperature which needs the testes which is lower the core body temperature, then inside the intrascrotal temperature it should be maintained 2 to 3 degree less than the core body temperature, means suppose that 33 degree to 34 degree centigrade. So the testis need 34 degree temperature or the 33 degree temperature and the core body temperature which is 37 degree temperature. That's why it is present outside of the abdominal cavity. But the testis which receive the blood, from the arterial blood supply. Suppose that this is the testicular artery. The testis which receive the blood supply from the testicular artery. Such testicular artery carry the blood from body to scrotum or the testis. Such artery which comes out from body and immediately entering into the scrotal sac through the inguinal canal. That's why the temperature it should be 37 degree centigrade. But the testis need the temperature 33 to 34 degree temperature. This is the hot blood and this environment or the testis which need the cooler environment. And the venous blood, the blood which return back to the body through the testicular vein. Suppose that this is the testicular vein. This is the testicular vein. So the testicular vein which carry the blood from testis to body and open into the inferior vena cava inside the abdomen. So here after circulation the blood which comes back to body, and here the temperature should be 34 degree centigrade because it comes out from the cooler environment, that is the 33 to 34 degree centigrade. So what actually the problem? Here the testicular artery which carry the hot blood and the testicular vein which carry the cold blood. But here the testis which need the cold environment, means cold blood, means 34 degree temperature blood, and the body which needs the blood about 37 degree temperature. So here is the hot blood and here is the cold blood. So that is the mechanism is developed through which the temperature which is absorbed by the cold blood and the blood which passing inside the testicular artery which loses temperature and ultimately the temperature of the testicular artery reduced to 33 to 34 degree centigrade. And that is the mechanism by which the blood flowing inside the testicular vein, they absorb the temperature from the testicular artery, and the temperature, the blood of temperature from 34 degrees centigrade increased to 37 degree centigrade. How it possible? Such testicular vein which forms branches around the testicular artery. So this is the testicular artery, and the branches is formed around the testicular artery. So the testicular vein which forms the testicular venous branches around the testicular artery. So that's why when the blood flowing through these branches, the venous branches, the temperature is absorbed from testicular artery. So the temperature which is absorbed by the blood of vein from the arterial blood. So the high blood or the high temperature blood, 37 degree temperature blood, which reduced to 34 degree centigrade, and the cooler blood, the 34 degree centigrade temperature blood, which become now 37 degree temperature blood. And such branches of testicular vein around the testicular artery, which is known as pumpiniform plexus, which is known as pumpiniform plexus, which is known as pumpiniform plexus. Pumpini means the tendrils and form means structure. So these branches of veins, these are the elongated and they coiled over the surface of the testicular artery like a tendrils. That's why this is known as the pumpiniform plexus. Such pumpiniform plexus which help for the reduce the temperature or which regulate the temperature inside the scrotum. But it is known as counter current heat exchanger. Which it is known as the counter current heat exchanger. Why it is known as the counter current heat exchanger? Counter current means the opposite direction. The flow, suppose that this is the one vein. Suppose this is the one branch of vein, and such vein, suppose that this is the testis and this is the body. This vein which carry the blood from testis to body, and this is the artery, the testicular artery which carry the blood from body to testis. So the blood here flow into different parallel vessels in opposite direction, which is known as the counter current. The flow of the blood in opposite direction in the parallel tubes, which is known as the counter current. So here the temperature of blood at the starting point, entry point, may be the 37 degree, and here which is reduced to 33 to 34, and at the beginning here the temperature may be the 34 degrees centigrade. At the time of flowing of the fluid inside the two parallel tubes, the temperature is lost by the testicular artery, and such temperature which is absorbed by testicular vein. That's why the 37-degree temperature which is reduced to 34 degree centigrade, and the temperature 34 degree centigrade by the absorbing of temperature from the testicular artery, the temperature will be increased about 37 degree centigrade. So this is the testicular artery, and this is the testicular vein, and the branches of the testicular vein around the testicular artery, which is known as the Pampiniform plexus. The abnormal enlargement of Pampiniform plexus, the medical term is used, which is known as the varicocele. The abnormal enlargement of Pampiniform plexus, or the vein of the Pampiniform plexus, which is known as the varicocele. So this is the arrangement, and this is the mechanism by which it regulates the temperature. So this is the whole about of the arrangement and the function of the counter current heat exchanger, and it regulates the temperature inside the scrotum. The core body temperature, which is 37 degrees centigrade, and the testis, inside the testis the temperature is 34 degrees centigrade. So the blood which comes from the body, which is the 37 degree temperature, and the blood which come back from the testis to body, which is the 34 degrees centigrade. So because of the presence of Pampiniform plexus, by the cooling system, the arterial blood which becomes cool, and the blood of the veins which becomes hot. Because of the presence of Pampiniform, the blood of the veins which absorb the temperature from the artery, and the blood of the artery which loses the temperature, that's why which reduced to 34 degrees centigrade, and the blood flowing inside the Pampiniform plexus which absorb the temperature from the testicular artery and become the temperature 37 degree centigrade. And such arteries and veins which run along the spermatic cord, this is the part of spermatic cord through which, through the inguinal canal, it enter into the body. So this is whole about of the